you. Let's give you a live look outside. Man, it feels like winter out there once again. Woo, I think a lot of us, Kellyanne, we're not ready for it. Is it that we're spoiled from the past week?
I think so, yeah. So, you know, it's been incredibly warm for November, even October, too. And so, yes, a big adjustment for all of us. The feel-like temperature down in the 30s for most spots. Take a look at Hyannis. It feels like it's down below freezing at this moment. Only 31-degree feel-like temperatures. So, yes, it's not your imagination. It's cold out there. It's also very windy, too. That wind transporting in the chill that we're feeling. Most sites now reporting temperatures crossing into the 40s, although of course it feels a lot colder due to this wind. We're seeing wind gusts right now approaching 30 miles per hour for many spots, especially in eastern Massachusetts. So there's enough of a wind and of course the drought conditions and the dry air that we are looking at a red flag warning again for today with the potential for rapid fire spread. And the concern will likely linger here as we're looking at severe drought for over 30% of the state. We're now looking at a deficit here for the season of about 6 to 8 inches of rainfall for much of the state. So we have a lot of catching up to do. Our shower chances are looking rather low over the next 7 days. Unfortunately, our next potential is late Friday night into early pre-dawn hours Saturday. A shower or two possible, but nothing that amounts to much. And we'll likely see a few drops heading into Monday. For now, it is dry overhead. We do have some clouds passing over the Cape, and it's all because of this cold, windy conditions. That wind passing over the water, cold enough that it's producing some of these ocean effect clouds. So if you're down toward Cape Cod and the islands, you're seeing some of those clouds popping up. Elsewhere, it is a blue sky that will greet you, and it's a clear sky as we head towards sunset tonight. 12-hour forecast in Boston showing things looking pretty clear here. We top out in the mid-40s, but notice the feel-like temperature, the wind chill, is down in the 30s, and that's what you want to dress for region-wide. Even though high temperatures do manage to hit the mid to even upper 40s in spots, it will feel like the mid to upper 30s all afternoon, and it gets even colder tonight. Look at this. We're down the teens as you move out into the northwest suburbs. So a real chill settling into the suburbs overnight, even colder than last night, likely dropping down into the low 30s, even into Boston and along the coastline. We start off dry and sunny for tomorrow. We'll likely see some late day clouds moving in. We're going to stay cool too. We're stuck in the 40s, but those clouds don't produce any showers tomorrow. Notice it's not until Friday afternoon that we see some signs of rainfall just to our north into Maine. Some of that may try to pinwheel its way down southward into southern New England. But you can see how as I move through the timeline here, this is paused at 11 o'clock on Friday night. It doesn't look like a lot of these showers are holding together. So unfortunately, just a few drops expected as we move toward late Friday evening, and will likely dry out as we move into early Saturday. We are looking wetter, though, as we move into the tropics. We have a new tropical wave here with a 90% likelihood of forming into Tropical Depression Sarah by this weekend. So this is one that's starting to form just south of Jamaica. Notice the track here. It has it make its way westward and then actually taking a turn. The steering current's actually directing this system toward Florida as we move into next week. And it's a strong jet stream that's actually going to kick Sarah to the east. The question is, of course, with us dealing with severe drought, can we tap in on some of that moisture? There does look to be some sort of tropical connection here trying to set up for late into next week. So we're talking about more than 10 days in advance here. But the likelihood for some rainfall trying to ride its way northward, and we so desperately need it. So we'll watch that as we move into the extended forecast. Your 7-day here showing that rain chance for late Friday night to Saturday. Otherwise, it's a dry weekend and a little milder too. Jessica, we're back into the mid to upper 50s this weekend.